What's going on, everybody? Today I need to reset the pin that you use when you don't have the key close. So I know the one that the original guy had because the dealer gave it to me. We will do that house easy. Should take about just a couple minutes. So let's set you up and get started. All right, so turn on the bike. Hit OK, pass that screen. Hit the settings button. I'm assuming that's what that is. Go to all settings. Go to vehicle. Go to pin lock or passcode. Sorry, unlock. While the key's close, it's not going to ask you to, hey, put in the key or the pin. But anyway, we're going to change the passcode. Put in the original passcode. It's a 4-digit pin. And then the new one. Then it will tell you that it correctly updated. Hit OK. So don't think you can just go in and change it, because the last time I could not. So oh, it did let me this time. Anyway, last time I had to restart the bike for me to try to change it again. But anyway, that's it. We'll catch you on the next one.